Discover secret cave in Pet Simulator X. Here's how to unlock the hidden room and grab a secret badge fast. Hey, Roblox fans. Ever wonder if there's more to Pet Simulator X? Well, guess what? There's a hidden cave packed with free rewards. Stick around, because I'm about to show you how to find it, and trust me, you don't want to miss out.
Alright, step 1 in our adventure, use the special map clue. You know that map you rarely check? It's actually a gold mine. Look closely and you'll find a hint leading to the cave entrance. It's tucked away in plain sight, just waiting for you to discover. Once you're inside, it's like hitting the jackpot. Exclusive bonuses and treasures are yours for the taking. This is your chance to level up faster than ever. Who doesn't love free loot? Grab it all while you can. But wait, it's not all smooth sailing. The cave has its tricky paths and sneaky traps. Keep your eyes peeled and your wits sharp to avoid these pitfalls. With these tips, you'll be outsmarting the cave like a pro.
To really make the most of your haul, use these rewards strategically. Optimize them to boost your gameplay and climb the leaderboards. With these tricks, you'll be ahead of the pack in no time.
So what are you waiting for? Dive into Pet Simulator X and uncover the secret cave yourself. Let me know how it goes in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more killer Roblox secrets every day.